Billionaire casino mogul Steve Wynn facing sexual misconduct accusations tonight by former employees. And now the Mass Gaming Commission says it will take a look at the massive facility that he's already building in Everett. Wynn joining a growing list of powerful men hit by these harassment scandals. I'm David Wade.
I'm Lisa Hughes. This one could have a big impact on the economy around here. The Wall Street Journal is reporting that dozens of women accuse Steve Wynn of sexual harassment over decades. He denies the accusations, but as WBZ's Bill Shields reports, many are troubled by what they've heard.
Well, that's right. You see the casino back of me going up is making very good progress. However, in light of the allegations, Governor Charlie Baker said today that this is all very disturbing. He has made billions in the Las Vegas casino industry. But Steve Wynn hit some potholes trying to get a casino built on the Everett-Boston line. But now it's going up fast. Still, the casino mogul is now facing charges from the Wall Street Journal that he had inappropriate sexual contact with many women in Las Vegas.
I think you got to think, you're innocent until proven guilty.
Down the street from the Everett Casino, Mike's Roast Beef stands to benefit from the casino. But Renee Monaco is unsure about the source of the allegations against Wynn.
I think everybody's kind of being accused lately.
Wynn said today, the idea that I ever assaulted any woman is preposterous. We find ourselves in a world where people can make allegations regardless of the truth, and a person is left with the choice of weathering insulting publicity or engaging in multi-year lawsuits. And some patrons at Mike's Roast Beef say, let's wait and see.
As far as like the casino coming in, it's going to bring a lot of jobs to this community, and it doesn't necessarily all have to do with Steve Wynn.
And even though the casino is about a year and a half away from completion, the Mass Gaming Commission said today they may start an investigation. In Everett, I'm Bill Shields, WBZ News.
Now at 6, Boston police are